So that is the basic super cheap Amazon leatherworking kit. Are the tools the best? Absolutely not. But with a little bit of work, we can make these usable. So I have this knife and tool sharpener that I got also off of Amazon a while back, and I really like it. So you can change the belts out. So this is kind of a, I don't know, high grit belt, and then there's a stropping belt as well. Are you gonna have your knife sharp as like a sushi chef? Nope. But if we look at these tools, they're, I don't know if this will show up on the camera, but these are really rough. So when you go to punch holes into the leather, you can't get these damn things out. So especially in the inside between the teeth, it's super rough. So I'm gonna try and sand them down a little bit and sharpen up this skiving blade too. Before you do any of that, wear your safety glasses, nerds. So that was like a, I don't know, 2-minute job. Let's see. Had a super hard time punching through this leather before. You could get into it okay, but you couldn't get it out. It's probably gonna shake the camera around, sorry. That cut like right in there. Went all the way through. Oh yeah. Perfect, like little diamond holes in there. That was night and day different. Here's one that hasn't been cleaned. This is just a single one, but just kind of as a reference. It takes quite a bit more to get it in there. And it sticks coming out. And if you look at this hole afterward, the hole is a lot rougher, like it pulls the leather back out. So anyway, probably just time lapse. I'm gonna do this single tooth one real quick, and then this knife, and then I'll show you the stropping blade. There's a little burr on the other side. But I'm gonna take this scrap piece of leather and just break that burr right off. Nice and smooth. So I was thinking about it, might as well add this on here, just if anybody gets one of these. It's super easy to switch the belts out. I mean, make sure you unplug it. Just push down on the guide and twist it. Old belt slides out. Slide the stropping belt onto the rollers. Make sure it's all the way on there. And then press down, twist it back forward until it pops back up with tension. Spring does a pretty good job. And you're ready to go. Just like that. So I have this punch also that I was gonna show, but I don't know. I'm gonna try just stropping it and see what happens. I don't know if that needs to be sanded. It's really amazing how much difference just that little bit of polishing makes. Yeah, that is super sharp. Like I said, it's not gonna be some sort of crazy high-end tool now, but I think that for, you know, the 25 bucks or whatever for the kit, if you have something that makes the job pretty easy to sharpen these up, it's worth doing if you're just getting into it, right? It's a new hobby. You don't want to jump right in and spend hundreds of dollars on stuff, especially when you don't know exactly what you need. Like I still don't. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. That was a quick how to improve the cheapest leatherworking tools on Amazon. See you next time.